Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is the October 10th, 2019. I'm here back with another video on Bitcoin updates. Today I want to start with the hourly time frame, and then we're going to zoom out on the 4 hours time frame and then the daily time frame. So what we got here on Bitcoin, nothing so different from yesterday. We were around this point. On the hourly, we got the higher lows and higher highs following this channel that I just put over here. So now we have two resistance, which is 8,658. We have to get above this resistance here and get another higher high. I think we're going to stop over here with the correction, and ideally we want to see continuation up above here. We have two resistance. We have the 8,657, which is here and over here as well, and then we have the last one, 8,777, and then we don't have resistance no more. We have this lack of resistance over here until the 9,600, so we can actually climb pretty easy and pretty fast in this area. So actually what Bitcoin did was at the beginning start to bounce in this channel right here, doing back and forth in this channel, and then now creating another channel upward, and it's moving upward, doing higher lows and higher highs. I hope we can see continuation here. I hope we can break through this resistance and see continuation towards the 9,600.3. We broke up through resistance here, and we want this resistance to become a support, this one. And right now, the 26 EMA is playing the role as a guide, and it's following up with the price action. So you can see the 26 EMA right now is acting as a support. And it acted as a support so far with the 200 EMA. We also had a cross here between the 26 EMA and the 200 EMA, which is super good. And if the price can break through this resistance and have another wave up, we can actually going and retest this resistance right here, which was the break of the triangle. Because remember, this place is going to act as a magnet right now, and we can see more details this factor in a bigger time frame. We can also see the RSI is doing the same thing, is making higher lows and higher highs pretty clearly here following the channel. We can actually have another push up, and I'm really thinking if we have another push up, we can go in and test this point over here before finally find some strength and going to back test the 9,300, 9,600, eventually 9,300 over here. Going back on a 4-hour chart, you can see here we could have dropped here because we could have found this one as a bear flag, but it was not. So actually we can actually reach the 200 on the 4-hour, as I said in yesterday's video, and we can actually reach this point if we can actually going through this resistance right here at 8,743 and get to this point. This is going to act as a resistance. This is going to move here. I'm pretty sure that this is going to move like that, and we're going to find some resistance here, and at this point we might go back down and find support here with this resistance becoming support, and then from here make some consolidation, probably going sideways for a while on the 4-hour, and then try and find a strength to go back up on the daily time frame, crossing this one and going back over the 26 EMA. Of course, the 26 EMA is going to be our support because it's the 26 EMA is nothing more than the 200 or the 4-hour, and we can become this our support, and ideally going up above the 200 EMA and up above the 26 EMA. Once we are going back up the 26 EMA, we have some kind of a shelter here. We are pretty sure this EMA is going to be a stronger support in conjunction with the 200 EMA. So I really want to see the price do this thing. I really want to see the price going here, going up above the 200 EMA, going up above the 26 EMA, and keep following the channel, and which is now is irrelevant. And once we're here, maybe going sideways for a while, and then have the power to go back and push over this resistance on the weekly we talked about yesterday, because there is a resistance here. If you can see here, the RSI, we are pretty low. We are on the daily at 42, the RSI, and we have a lot of room to go up. We have a lot of room to go up. We have a lot of room to cool off and going up in every time frame. And as I said yesterday, what we want to see is the cross. We want to see this cross. We don't want to see the 26 going below the 200 EMA. We don't want to see that. We want to see the cross of the 26 and 12 EMA and the price going higher, and maybe find some kind of a chilling zone over here and keep going sideways over here, because you see we have this kind of a triple bottom here. We have these bullish engulfing candles, and we have this kind of a bull flag right here on the daily, and we went above, and I hope this one is going to be another kind of a doji here, so we can push the price above again and finally go back over the 200, go back over the 26 EMA. I'm really looking for it. If you see here, we got all this lower high of the triangle, and I want to see if there's the price go back over here. So at the end of the day, my target is still here. When the price go back on the 12 on the weekly, I really want to see a recovery soon of the 12 and the 26. I want to see a cross here, the 12 and the 26 on the daily, to see the price skyrocketing and go back and break this resistance over here. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video and you made this far, please subscribe to my channel so I can provide you every day a single video for your trading career. Thanks so much.